In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic year in Elementor and WordPress themes copyright footer. This is a simple tweak that will save you from having to manually update the year in your website footer every January. Instead, your site will always display the current year automatically, which looks more professional and keeps things accurate without any ongoing work. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. From there, open the footer template you're using with Elementor, or open the specific page where you want the dynamic year to appear. Most modern themes have a dedicated footer template, but if yours doesn't, just pick the page that contains your footer content. Once the Elementor editor is open, look at the left-hand panel. This is where all your widgets are listed. Use the search bar at the top and type Text Editor to find the text editor widget quickly. Click and drag that text editor widget into the footer area where you want your copyright line to appear. You can place it below your existing content or replace an old static copyright line if you already have one. After you drop the widget, its settings will show up in the left panel. Make sure you're on the Content tab. Inside the text editor section, you'll see the main text field. Instead of typing the year manually, click the dynamic tags icon in the top right corner of that field. A drop-down will appear with several dynamic options. From that list, choose Current Date Time. As soon as you select it, the settings panel will update with options specific to the date and time. Click the small wrench or settings icon next to Current Date Time to open its configuration. Here you'll see a field labeled Date Format. Click the drop-down next to it and select Custom. In the Custom Format field, type a capital letter Y. This tells WordPress and Elementor to display only the 4-digit year, like 2026, instead of a full date. Now, scroll down inside that same settings area until you see the before and after fields. In the before field, add a single space and then type the word copyright. In the after field, add another space, then type your company or website name followed by all rights reserved. This will create a complete line that reads something like Copyright 2026, your company name, all rights reserved, with the year updating automatically. When you're done, click the preview button to see how everything looks on the front end. If the spacing or wording doesn't look quite right, go back and adjust the before and after text until you're happy with it. Finally, once you're satisfied with the result, click Update or Publish in the top right corner of the Elementor editor. Your dynamic copyright year is now live and will stay up to date automatically every year.